Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can join Temu's affiliate program. So if you didn't know what Temu is an online shopping megastore that offers just about any product you can imagine. You can buy car accessories, clothing, small home applications, small home appliances, outdoor furniture, power tools, baby clothes and everything in between. Temu's standout feature is that many of the site's products are incredibly cheap. You can buy sunglasses for $2, necklaces for $1, and glow-in-the-dark pet collars for only $3. In fact, whatever you think of, it's probably on Temu for less than $30. Some people compare Temu to sites like Shein, Wish or AliExpress, but Temu is a little bit different. Shein mainly focuses on fashion and clothing items, whereas Temu can be compared to Amazon as they have such a large array of items which are available. So if you also aren't aware what affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which a company compensates third-party publishers to generate traffic or leads to the company's products. So the way this would basically work is you can go out and promote a company or website, and if someone clicks on your link from your video or whatever blog, if they go ahead and buy an item using your link, you will actually be credited for that. So the commissions and stuff will be different for every company, so you want to find the ones which are paying the best rewards ideally. So this is Temu's affiliate program, and as you can see, you can earn up to £100,000 per month, which is very nice. So there's a section here that says why join us, and as you can see, £2 download reward and up to 20% commission, which is pretty good. The commission could be better, but 20% is not bad. And since the items are so cheap on here, you could be getting tons of sales, so this commission can really add up, along with a £2 download reward. That's a nice little offer, and it's a good little extra to have. So how does the affiliate offer actually work? You first want to sign up to the Temu affiliate program, and then from there you want to share your link/code to invite people, and then when people join using your link/code, you then receive commission. So how do we actually go about signing up? To start with, you just want to click this button here which says sign up to earn, and you just want to input your email. So once you sign up, they load £3 of affiliate cash into your account just to get you started, which is nice, and you need a minimum of £20 in order to withdraw to PayPal. So if you can earn another £17, you'll then be able to withdraw your first £20 payment. So once you've actually signed up, what you want to do is just go here where it says your name, and you just want to copy this link or code. I'm just going to copy the code. I'm just going to copy the code for this example. And if you look at some of the things they offer, you can really see why Temu has blown up recently. I mean, some of the rewards they give you are just crazy, and it's a great incentive to share around your link, and I'm sure this is why this has grown so much. So when someone signs up using your link, your referral will get a £100 coupon bundle and 50% off via your affiliate code as a first download gift, which is really good. Another cool thing to have is this referral race. So you can basically earn bonuses the more you invite people. As you can see, this goes up to £5,000, which is like a really nice bonus. So to get the first bonus, you have to refer 3 or more new downloads or first orders. So once you've got 3, you receive your £5 bonus. You then have to do it again with a £10, and you may have to, I'm not actually entirely sure, but you may have to refer more people the higher you go. I'm sure that is how it works, otherwise you could earn this £5,000 really easy. So how do you go about sharing your affiliate link and getting people onto Temu? So as you can see here, they suggest a few things in which you can do. So you can submit on coupon sites, and if you click on it, it tells you a bit about it. So coupon sites are crowded with people who just love discounts. All you have to do is submit your link/code to these sites and easily get high returns. Just find more discount sites to upload. So if you have a ton of different coupon sites, you can input your link, and then hopefully people click on your link to buy cheap Temu items. Now the second option they say is to put in your bio. So this is the simplest way to spread your link. Benefits will be generated when anyone places an order through your link. Please note that Instagram and TikTok don't allow direct URLs. So for Instagram and TikTok, that will probably not work. However, However, if you had a big account or somewhere else, you can easily add that link to your bio. And if your followers are the type of people who would be interested in Temu items, you can drop that link and then they can go there and then buy whatever they want and hopefully use your code and make you some commission. You can also use it under posts. Place your link / code into your own unique content. Generally, the more engaging your content is, the more your link / code will be used. So, for example, if you have a fashion blog, or something similar to that, you could do a post about some clothes that you found on Temu, and you could also share the link, and then if people are interested in the clothes, they might click on your link to go there and actually buy the clothes themselves. So if you have a large blog or some sort of large following, this could probably be the best option for you. And the fourth and final option they suggest to share, and the fourth way that they suggest you share the link is by sending to friends. You can send your affiliate link / code to your family, friends, or colleagues with any messaging app such as WhatsApp, SMS, Facebook Messenger. So this is another good idea. If you have tons of friends or tons of family members who don't mind signing up, you can do this. And if you're getting the £2 download reward and a 20% commission on each person who signs up, you can really make some serious money here if you know a lot of people, and you know a lot of people who are willing to use and buy stuff from Temu. So of course there's other ways you could do it too. You could do some YouTube videos about it. You can do your own way. If you have your own way of getting this done, you can do that. If you have your own platform or website, I would recommend adding your Temu link if it matches the audience. Because obviously if your audience is a bit older and they're not really interested in this sort of stuff, then it's probably not going to work as well as if you had a younger audience or people who are into really cheap cool items. So I hope with this video you successfully managed to sign up to the Temu affiliate program. If you did, please comment down below to say that it helped you out. It really helps out a lot. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.